Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to stay healthy and energized in the midst of a busy lifestyle. We all want to live our best lives, but with the demands of work, family, and everything in between, finding the time to prioritize our well-being can be a real challenge. That's why I'm excited to share with you 5 simple and practical tips that you can start implementing today to keep your health in check, no matter how packed your schedule may be. So if you're ready to learn some powerful and easy-to-implement strategies for feeling your best and staying energized throughout the day, then keep watching. These tips will transform the way you think about healthy living and give you the tools you need to thrive, no matter what life throws your way. Okay, let's take a look at them. Number 5. Start the day right. The first step towards leading a healthy lifestyle is to begin your day with a nutritious breakfast that provides you with the energy and nutrients you need to tackle the day ahead. Whether it's a simple bowl of oatmeal with some fruit and nuts, or a smoothie made with your favorite ingredients, starting your day rightly can set the tone for the rest of your day. If you're short on time in the mornings, consider meal prepping your breakfast the night before so you can grab it and go in the morning. Number 4. Incorporate movement. Incorporating physical activity into your day can help keep you healthy and energized and improve your overall well-being. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to get the benefits of physical activity. Even short bursts of activity, like a quick walk around the block or doing some stretching exercises, can make a big difference. If you're short on time, try to fit in physical activity whenever you can, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or doing some squats while you brush your teeth. Number 3. Practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is another important aspect of leading a healthy lifestyle. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few deep breaths throughout the day, taking the time to focus on your breath and be present at the moment can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, so find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Number 2. Make healthy eating choices. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial to leading a healthy lifestyle. This doesn't mean you have to cut out all your favorite foods, but making healthier choices whenever possible can make a big difference. For example, including plenty of fruits and vegetables in your meals, limiting your intake of processed foods and added sugars, and opting for grilled or baked options instead of fried foods can help you make healthier eating choices. Number 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential to your overall health and well-being. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and try to establish a regular sleep routine to help your body get into a rhythm. This can include winding down with a relaxing activity before bed, such as reading a book or listening to soothing music. By getting enough sleep, you'll have the energy and focus you need to lead a healthy and productive lifestyle. Okay, here they are, 5 simple and practical tips for incorporating healthy habits into a busy lifestyle. If you want to learn more valuable information about improving the quality of your life, then the video on the screen is perfect for you. Have a good one.